Namaskar. Have you noticed that even after eating enough, many people still feel tired, heavy, dull, or sleepy by the afternoon? Many studies show that more than half of working adults experience regular afternoon fatigue. And interestingly, this fatigue is not linked to the quantity of food they eat. Most of the time, this tiredness is simply normalized and compensated with afternoon tea and coffee breaks. Sometimes this is blamed on age, stress, long working hours, or even the weather. But there is more fundamental question. We rarely pause to ask, is the body actually able to convert the food we eat into energy? Energy does not depend only on calories we eat. It depends largely on how efficiently the body digests food and absorbs nutrients at the cellular level. And this is where a simple, often overlooked fruit quietly supports the body, that is papaya. Now, some of you may think papaya, that is only for digestion. Yes, digestion is exactly where energy begins. Papaya was once called the fruit of angels by Christopher Columbus, not for its sweetness, but how light and energizing effect it gives. You may eat almonds, bananas, or even tonic food, but if your digestive fire is weak, energy never reaches to the cell. Instead, it gives rise to heaviness and gases, acidity, or sleepiness. Now, let me explain how papaya helps. At this point, papaya contains an enzyme called papain. This enzyme helps break down proteins and improve overall digestion. Papain is used even in mood healing. That's how effective the enzyme is. When digestion improves, nutrient absorption improves, gut load reduces, your body spends less energy struggling to digest the food. As a result, more usable energy is available. Papaya is also rich in vitamin C, which helps in production of cellular energy, vitamin A, which supports the tissue repair, and folate, which supports red blood cell formation. 1 cup of ripe papaya gives around 60 milligrams of vitamin C, which is almost the full daily requirement for many adults. With better digestion and better nutrient delivery, you get better energy. Now let us see what Ayurveda says about this fruit. Papaya is considered laghu, that is light to digest. Ushna in effect because it supports digestive fire, and particularly it is useful for mandagani, that is weak digestion. Ayurveda says that energy is not created by eating more. Energy is preserved when or undigested food waste is reduced. Papaya helps reduce gently. That is why you may have less bloating, clear bowels, and better appetite. Because of all this, papaya is especially helpful for people who feel sleepy after meals, older adults with slow digestion, those recovering from illness, people with irregular bowel habits, and those who feel heavy but not hungry. In such case, papaya removes obstacle to energy, and that is far more sustainable, right? Now let us come to the practical side and see how to eat this fruit for best results. Morning or mid-morning is ideal time to eat papaya. 1 medium bowl of ripe papaya about 30 to 45 minutes before meal is ideal. Take fully ripe papaya only. Eat slowly. Chew properly. 3-4 times a week is sufficient. You can take daily during winter if it suits you. Papaya works best when the body is allowed to respond, not overloaded. But you should also know when to avoid papaya. Don't eat papaya late at night along with heavy meals or mix with milk or curd. People with very sensitive digestion should avoid papaya during peak monsoon month. Pregnant women should avoid raw or semi-ripe papaya. Over the years, I have noticed that food that works silently often heal deeply. Papaya belongs to this category. When you eat in tune with nature, your body does not ask for extra energy. It creates its own from the simple food we give to the body. Namaskar.